Hello guys, I'm Mehul back again with another new video, and today I have a really great collection of web dev tools that is curated in a website. So I can just share this website and you can have a view over here, like see what it has and all. Now, for a quick mention, so this website is shared to me by one of my great friend, that is Prantik. You can visit his YouTube channel or his Instagram. That link will be in the description. So appreciate him as well. He is also a great fella into this kind of things. So just visit his like channel, social media channels, and view his contents though. So let's get straight to the website. Okay. So this is DevBox by Intab. Okay, intab.io/resources. Now the like first of all, when you land on this website, it have a great UI. Okay, it have all of those buttons and all, and when you hover over those buttons, it has a certain clicky noise. Like I know you can't hear it right now, but you can see there is a like mute like sound image when I am hovering over it, right? So it has some sounds, and it have really cool animations as well. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point. So here are some of the categories are there in different sections. So first of all is frameworks, then build UIs, store data, optimization, blah blah blah, and a lots of things. Okay, so and learn also, taste also, track usage also, whatever, all of those things. Now I have selected obviously the all settings. So here all of the things are listed. So first of all there is analytics section. I don't know why it has frameworks. Where the heck is analytics? Yeah, track usage analytics. But here analytics come first because a analytics. So all of those are analytics framework. Now these have everything. So it has proprietary uh, softwares, open source softwares, free softwares, paid softwares, everything. Okay, cloud based, self hosted, everything is here. Okay, so these are some of the analytics platforms that you may use. Self-hosted ones, big companies ones, like privacy friendly ones, all of them are here. Then intab they have like shared their website as well, but intab is also a great tool. If you visit their website, it's a really great tool. Whatever. And here the section starts with the UI designs. Okay, headless UI, fast design, Davies UI. So there are a lots of things like, yeah, you can discover all of them. Now, what the great thing about it is, it has some of the new things that I have discovered today only, and I am really like excited about learning all of those things, like lead code. I knew about web components, WASM, and all. Like I was hearing about it, but didn't try it still. But here I found out about lead code, then stencil. Like I have heard of them before, but today I like deep dive into all of those. Then there is another great thing is there. What is this? Not Hezlet. Fast design? I think fast design is there. Let's see, it is fast design or not. Yeah, fast design. Fast design is also a great thing. Like I didn't understand the whole concept of it yet, but I it seems really great thing to have. Like here you can change dark mode, white mode, but whatever it is with like have the complementation with Tailwind CSS, I will use it, no problem. Then there is this, and it has a really great thing also. There is a sweet little click button. When you click on it, it will play rainy sound for you. And it says click to relax. And if you can see over here, there is a rain animation as well. You can see, right? Great, really great thing. And click on it, it will stop. And the, like, ease in and ease out of the sound is also great. Like, this is a website that is, like, made with such details, such, like, such tiny, teeny tiny details. Yeah, details, keeping in mind like how user gonna interact with it. Everything is there. Like, great, really great. Get super dev tips and tools in your inbox. This is great as well. Like, I would like to in like subscribe to the newsletter as well, as this site is so much superb. That's why I like really like to subscribe to that channel. Whatever, like, when you say not channels, newsletter, but they have really, really great things. Like surge, here is surge as well. Few days before I have like a surge also, a showcase surge also. Then render, here is render as well. Now, one thing about render, that is, when I show you both of the like have gone through, like, made the video, like, when I gone through all of the app or development, not development, app deploying platforms, I found out render and railway are both great, but I like ranked render some, like, a little higher, and uh, railway a little lower. But when I am using it right now, I know render is way lower and railway is way higher. Because one thing with render is, they always said $0 per month, $0 per month, $1 per month, and all. But all of them has a catch. Seriously, all of them has a catch. If you go through their detailed pricing, like I have gone through them as well, so they have this thing. uh you have either limitation of time, like every day, or like, means every month you have to restart the server or something like that, or you have limitation of downtime. Like, some of the limitation are there, but in railway there is no as such limitation. Like, why say $0 per month when you are, like, not giving everything? I don't know why. Like, I have tried their Postgres SQL once, and there were these things like, yeah, no data, no charge, blah blah blah, all of those things are okay. But when you go through their docs and find out the details, pricing document, then you will able to understand. Whatever, this is not a render video, I'm going too much off the topic. So there are all of those things are here. So that's it about this video. Actually, that's it about this site. Discover it yourself. You will know what it is and how it works or not. Like, I loved it. I will use it. Like, I am using it already. I will subscribe to their newsletter as well, because I love them, like, love their work and all. So that's it. That's it for this video. Let me know if you like my videos or not. Yeah, let me know if you like my videos or not, and let me know, like, if you like this website or not. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the great resources like this, or curator of resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.